Hello, it's finally snow. I can't play in the snow because it's raining ice. I lose all the time, and this is really unnatural. North Carolina. Snow. I don't know if you can hail. No. Sorry if you can't hail. But it snowed. Yeah. It really snowed. I'm thinking of making a stop motion video whenever the ice stops. My mom said I'm not allowed to go outside. Yeah. Well, hope you saw my first stop motion video. Bye. See, there it is now. I was uploading it. And this is this. The name is Full Stop Motion. Bye.